Hey guys, this is Al again. I'm back at the shop. It's Friday the 13th and I have a car on the lift. It's Friday the 13th. So I changed the fuel pump on this car, but I'm a little bit worried that some of the remains of that fuel hose that came apart. It was basically the hose that was coming out of the fuel tank and into the first fuel pump may have picked up some debris and sent it down the way. So I've picked up a fuel filter. Actually, I bought this about the same time that I was working on this car, and I don't know what else I was working on, but I think I changed a couple of these filters. I got 4 more on the way. But I picked up a new fuel filter, and I'm also going to do the oil change. So I've got a Hengst oil filter, which I bought maybe 30 of those at one point from Rock Auto because they were doing a killer deal on them. And I've also got some Mobile Delvac 1300 Super. 1300 Super, I think that stands for 1300 parts per million as far as ZDDP. So it should be a pretty good oil for these older engines. That's what I'm going to be working on today. Just going to be basically changing the oil, and then also changing the fuel filter while the oil is being drained, and then maybe looking around the underside and making sure everything's dry as far as the fuel pump change that I did last weekend. I'm also going to be working on the 6.3 primarily just to throw it on the lift so I can take some pictures and list it, because everybody wants to see the underside. Okay, so here's the old filter. If anyone wants to know the Bosch part number, it's 0450-905-200. Let's see if there's a date on this. I can't see a date. But yeah, there's special ends on this. So these need to be transferred over to whatever new filter you decide to use. So I'm going to take these off right now. Make sure that they fit on the Hengst filter. It shouldn't be too hard, just a 17mm impact socket and then an adjustable wrench to hold it in place so that we can whip it off. Not sure if these are 2 different sizes, these 2 ends, so just keep in mind that if you're going to do this, just watch out for the arrow. Put the back one on the back and the front one on the front. Alright, so this Hengst filter, H84WK01, interchange exactly, everything fits perfectly. We'll just put this on. Alright guys, so filter's being changed, both fuel filter and oil filter, and now it's just a matter of putting the oil in. I don't know whether you can see this, maybe I can get behind you and show you, but if you look at how clean this guy is, it's incredible. This car's only got 32,000 miles on the clock. So I'm just going to add the oil, just make sure that my funnel is pristine clean. And then I can start measuring with the dipstick. Right, so barely on the min. Now it's right on the button. So because I changed the fuel filter, I'm just going to run the pump a few times. The oil come down a little bit. Now we can check the level, make sure it's all okay, or top up as necessary. Yep, that's good. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I'm going to leave the car on the lift because I may come back tomorrow and just bleed the brakes out. I didn't like them, they kind of felt a little bit grabby when I last drove this car. So I'll leave it where it sits right now. I'll put the corniche back where it was sitting beforehand. And maybe I'll put it back up in the air tomorrow and just bleed the brakes out. But that's it for me. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye-bye.